Good morning. My name is Jacqueline Morosco of Spirited Practice, and welcome to day 6 of Healing Sounds for You and the Planet. And I was kind of cracking up because yesterday I didn't know what day it was, and today I barely do as well. So today I wanted to go over some beach sounds or seed sounds, and they might be a little bit different from some that you've heard before. And what's interesting about these sounds is that they start with the letter H. So you're going to go like as you're using your diaphragm, as you're beginning each sound. And they correlate, like a little bit. No, they correlate with the colors of the rainbow. And starting from violet and going to red, Roy G. Biv, but in the opposite way. And so we're going to say each sound if you'd like to say it with me. And you can use your hands on this one too. We're going to place the hands on different parts of the body. We'll say the first time in our regular voice, the second time in a whisper, and the third time silently to yourself, although I'll say it kind of in a whisper so that you can hear me. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. And again, like with everything that we're doing here, I want you to notice how you feel in your body, and kind of for right now, like check in, how do you feel right now? And then we're going to do the sounds, and I'll ask you the same question at the end just to see if there is any sort of change. So take a couple of nice deep breaths, and if you'd like to use your hands, if your hands are free, you can place them on top of your head. And the first sound is hram, hram, okay? Hram, hram. And in a whisper, hram. Move your hands down to the forehead. Hraim. Hraim. And silently to yourself. Hraim. Move the hands to the base of the throat. Hrum. 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 Move the hands to the heart. Hraim. 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 Now to the base of the rib cage on the diaphragm. Hraum. 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 And then moving your hands just below the navel. Hrum. 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 And just above the pubic bone. Hraha. 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 again, you can release your hands and take a breath and notice how you're feeling. Notice anything like um, energy in your body, temperature, how your breath is moving, like how your mind is, if it's clearer or not as clear. And I'll say those sounds again. Hram, hrim, hrum, hraim, hraum, hrum, hraha. And again, take a breath or two, notice how you're feeling. And I will write the sounds in the details on the video in case you want to see them, because sometimes that helps us to put the sounds, how they're coming out, how we're thinking about them together for us. And so thinking about how you might use these depending on how your body feels right now. Like my body feels a little bit warmer. I definitely am more alert and somewhat energized, meaning it kind of wakes me up, wakes my body and my mind up. So notice how you're feeling. And again, like with all the sounds I'm offering you, if it feels good to you, continue to do it. Right. And I know I'm kind of offering different sounds every day. And so you might be like, oh, I like this one, but I want to watch the next video. That's great. When you find a sound that really resonates, I invite you to repeat it. And you probably notice I'm not yelling these, I'm not saying them really loudly. Like sometimes when I'm in a large group, I'll use a louder voice. But really, like the tone that we want to be is in our natural voice, kind of like a speaking level. And I know some of us speak louder than others, but just, a regular voice. And then today's, we did our regular voice in a whisper and then silently, and noticing those different qualities. And at first you might not notice a shift, but over time, from my experience, you will. So enjoy, notice, what sounds really help you to get into your body and ground. Those are the ones that we're really needing right now on our planet, and do them whenever you want to. And if there's people around, you can always do them silently. I chant many times without making any sound when there are other people around. And have a wonderful day. My name is Jacqueline Morosco of Spirited Practice, and if you'd like to get these coming into your, if you want to get notified every day, you can subscribe. And if you want to know more about me, check out my website, Spirited Practice. So have a beautiful day and keep chanting. Namaste.